I'm Dave Prouse with the tech question of the day for March 9th, 2017, and this is on the topic of interconnecting office networks. A little Network Plus question here for you, and here it is. A small office has set up an addition in a nearby office space just 20 feet away within the same building. The network administrator is assigned to provide connectivity between the existing office and the new office. Which of the following solutions provides the most security from third-party tampering? Is it A, a VPN between routers located in each office space? B, Cat5e connections between the offices via the patch panel located in the building's communications closet? C, a WEP encrypted wireless bridge with directional antennas between the offices? Or D, a Cat5e cable run through the ceiling in the public space between the offices? And I'll give you a moment to look it over and select your answer, and I'll be back with the correct answer in just a little bit. All right, and we're back, and the best answer in this case is going to be a VPN between routers located in each office space. Even though the offices are close to each other, they are not directly next to each other. And so a secure connection, such as an encrypted VPN, becomes an excellent solution to avoid eavesdropping. And let's show this here. Here we have the main office, and then we have the office addition. And one of the best ways to do this would be to have a Soho router at each office. And so for the main office, we have router A, and for the office addition, we have router B. And that's really going to be the best way to do it, and set up VPN between those routers, even though, and you could do this directly, or you could do it over the internet. So that's going to be up to you, but it's great to have some type of secure tunnel between the two offices. This way, during the day, you're not probably too worried about the security of it, but in the evening or off hours, you never know who's going to be in the building. You don't know about facilities people for the building, people that deal with the ISPs that service the building. So it's great to have some type of tunnel. And you'd have to set up that VPN between the two routers. It could be a direct connection, or you could have it go through the internet, but I might do a direct connection, actually. That's going to depend on a couple different factors. But one way or another, you want to do a VPN. They have some different options. The older option would be to do a PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol connection, which uses port 1723. But that's kind of outdated and insecure in some ways. It can be broken. It can be hacked. So another option is to use L2TP, Layer 2 tunneling protocol, on port 1701. And, you'd have to provide a little bit more with that. You may want to use a server in conjunction with this L2TP for username and password authentication. But, and you might want to do that with PPTP as well, but, with L2TP, you can actually add on a certificate that can make it much more secure, and you can do that in a variety of ways. But one way or another, you want to create that VPN tunnel between the two routers and secure it, encrypt it, so that eavesdroppers will not be able to connect. Let's take a look at the answers again. Look at the incorrect answers. Now, over here we had Cat5e. That's going to be incorrect. Cat5e connection between offices via the patch panel located in the building's communication closet. And also, Cat5e cable run through the ceiling in the public space between the offices, even worse. Now, running Category 5e cable might make for a faster connection, but there's no inherent security. Just running a cable, you could shield it. You could use STP, but it doesn't say that here. But just using a Category 5E cable doesn't have inherent security. So the cable could be easily tapped by would-be attackers. And it's not wise to place a patch panel really in the patch panel. You don't want to place that in the building's communication closet because, that's the entire building. Unless that closet is within your organization's office space, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't use the main building's closet or room for that. Similarly, it's not wise to run cables in the ceiling in the public space between offices. Again, you may want to use STP. You may want to just connect a VPN directly over that STP or just over the internet. If each office's network is properly secured, cabling might be a good option. But again, that would rely on a secure VPN or other similar technology and that STP. So like I say, you could connect through the cloud with your VPN, but you could also go direct. That might require additional connectivity. There might be more to that, but a couple different ways to look at it. One way or another, use that VPN to secure the tunnel or to create a secure tunnel and secure that data. The last answer here, or answer C, I should say, totally off the mark. First of all, WEP, we don't want to use that. That is deprecated. An encrypted wireless bridge is another possible solution, but that WEP is totally outdated. It's deprecated, not recommended for use. In addition, you might have multiple walls separating the office space. You might have actual firewalls, filled with, actual physical walls filled with insulation. Physical walls meant to stop fires or prevent fires or slow them down. And those walls can really severely weaken wireless signals trying to go through, which could make connectivity difficult or slow down connectivity, give you intermittent problems. So the wireless connection isn't really the best option. And in fact, a VPN going through the cloud here would be faster than a wireless connection that is secured. But again, WEP, outdated. You want to use WPA or WPA2. So that's the question of the day and the answer. Use a VPN between routers located in each office space. And that's about it for today. I'm a little bit behind with the tech questions. This is Thursday, March 9th. So we're trying to catch up a little bit. And watch out next week for the tech question of the day with the giveaway for Network Plus. And so watch out for that. I'll be posting that hopefully on Wednesday next week. So that's it for today. If you have any questions for me, feel free to contact me at my website, davidlprouse.com.